Nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Happy Chick for sending us their products and of course for us to try on, guys. Kung gusto nyong malaman pa kung ano yung pinadala nila sa amin, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Alright! So, si Happy Chick po is a brainchild business ni Mr. Gerald and Karen Gueco. Usually, kapag piniprepare nila ito sa bahay lang, kapag may request, kapag may salo-salo, or even a simple day, ito yung mga, kumbaga, piniprepare nila as family. And they decided to set it up as a business, of course, for us to try on, guys. So, yung mga sinaserve po nila are actually chicken tenders, meaning boneless. Actually, these are marinated and flavored chicken. So, they have 6 flavors available. Available din sa order yung single or yung duo. Ibig sabihin, dalawang flavors in one packaging. And yeah, let's talk about the flavors. So, this one is their Parmigiano. Ayan. Wow. Ciao. Oh wow, a little salty, peppery, and creamy. So the next one is the Smokin Chick barbecue flavor. Oh man, look at that. Grabe, kulang na lang dito, guys. Hot steaming rice. Wow. Habang mainit-init pa, guys, you can actually enjoy them. There is a bit of crispiness dun sa pinaka-coating natin, and then in the middle, which is in the inside, the meat, it's actually tender. Right, next is the salted egg. Wow. Not too salty, just right amount of saltiness, and you can actually enjoy yung aroma or flavor ng salted egg. Plus, again, the tender meat. And next is the Seoul chicken. So from the name itself, again, this is a Korean-inspired chicken from, of course, Seoul, Korea. Physical observation natin, mayroong sesame seed on top, Korean sauce, very evident yung Korean sauce natin, plus some onion leeks. Alright, let's taste it. Wow, so Korean. It has that very distinct Korean flavor. Almost you're eating samgyeopsal or tteokbokki, parang mga ganyan. And I kind of like it actually because it's a little bit spicy. Next, guys, is the cheesy chick. Let's get this one right here. Ooh. First off, guys, ang impression nyo dito, it is oozing with cheese. So for those of you who are cheese lovers, I think you should go for this one. Oh wow, so creamy, so cheesy. And then lastly, for their chicken, ito yung classic flavor. Available din sa kanila. Aside from, you know, the flavored one, this is the classic. Plus, if you wanna dip it, so available din naman yung kanilang sauce. So let's try this one. So ang nagustuhan ko dito, outer coating niya is actually chewy and crispy. So another dish that they sent is a healthy option actually. This is their chicken salad. So in it, of course, you have your fresh vegetables. So sabi nga, this is a healthy option, guys. Plus yung chicken natin, which is, wow, very, very delicious. Oh wow. Okay, very happy. They also have their pasta. So meron tayong 2 flavors. First one is the tomato and mushroom, and then the second one is the lemon garlic pasta. So I want to try this one. And guys, on top of it, again, we have our very special chicken and toasted bread. Oh wow! Para sa akin, parang healthy option din to, no? It's not oily, it has fresh ingredients like the tomato and mushroom. But just to let you know, guys, hindi to yung sweet spaghetti na nasanay tayo. This is actually a little bit sour. So, parang Italian base. Okay, last to taste guys, the lemon garlic pasta. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung garlic flavor niya. Plus a little bit of zest because of the, of course, lemon. Alright. So, guys, if you're interested to taste yung pong na-experience ko for today, located po siya sa Super 8 Building, Santo Domingo, Angeles City for advanced orders. And for more information about them, you may check them out sa Facebook fan page that we're gonna be flashing. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Thank you so much Happy Chick for sending us very lovely dishes and sobrang nakaka-enjoy yung mga flavors nila. So thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out guys. Bye!